Welcome to the wood shop. Welcome to S&C Custom Designs, where I thought we would see how far we can get cutting on a bandsaw box. So if you've been watching me for any length of period of time, for the past month and a half or so, 2 months, you know that we've been building these guys and just having a lot of fun with joining up wood scraps and or utilizing 4x4 material. And so I wanted to share with you one of those whoopsies. Look how handsome this guy is. We decided we'd have a little bit of fun with it and cut out the back like this, as opposed to having it solid like that. So we'll go ahead and continue working on that. But here's the whoopsies. When I was sanding it, I would hear crack, crack, crack. Next thing you know, crack. There you go. Upon closer inspection, the 4x4 grain orientation is not optimal for the direction in which this is cut. So that's a lesson learned. It's something that I certainly wasn't thinking about it too much. When I think of a 4x4, I think of strength. And how can this possibly fall apart? Well, when you start cutting it out and it's thin, that's when you got to think about that. So we glued it up, and we'll see how that goes. But trust me, that was a little bit of a setback. So what did we learn? So the orientation, when you think about it, this is kind of with the grain, all right, the cuts this way. So it really compromised it, as you can see. So we won't make that mistake again. We'll definitely think about that when we're cutting out the boxes. So in this case, we'll go ahead and just cut out the box. All right. So without further ado, have one more sip of this lovely coffee. Move it over here so it doesn't get as dusty. All right, let's go for it. Here's how you make a bandsaw box from the 4x4. Alright, so we'll just trace this guy out. I may or may not follow this exact pattern, but for the moment, let's just see how we go. I am looking for air protection. How cool is that, my friends? That's a bandsaw box cut out from a 4x4. Hey, thanks for watching SC Custom Designs. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to get to 1K by February 20th. And wondering why I can hear myself so well. And so please subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. And it's just the fun of the journey. So share the link if you don't mind, and hit the bell once you do subscribe, and you'll be reminded of any videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Let us know what you think. Thank you, and take care.